Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I'm very sorry that I haven't done a garage door opener video in a while. It's of someone else's garage door opener. Okay, so I'm in my friend's garage looking today at two liftmasters. The half horsepower chain drive is on the little door, and the 1/3 horsepower is also a chain drive too. But the big door, the 1/3 horsepower is on the big door, and the half horsepower is on the little door. Let's open the little garage door first. The big door is a little bit louder than that one. Now let's close the little one. Now let's open the big door, and here we go. Doesn't look too loud to me, as I expected it to be. Close it again. Okay. Let's get the big one to open. Okay. Now let's open the little garage door one more time, and let me go close by the little door, and then we'll open the big garage door one more time, and that would be it. Very cool. Okay, I think that's enough for the little door, but not quite the big door yet. Let me open the big door one more time, and then that will be it. It's a little buzzy, but still works. Now let's close the garage door one more time. Okay. I think that's enough for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't quite remember what the model number is. The 1/3 horsepower. And I can't quite remember what the model number of that opener way over there is either. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.